The Origin of Vlog and Blog by Group 1.
Birth of blogging. The birth of blogging, the first blog or weblog is generally attributed to Justin Hall, who created a website called Links.net in January 1994. This site served as a collection of links to interesting content Hall found online, along with his own personal musings and observations. Early days, the first blog is believed to be Links.net, which was created by Swarthmore College student Justin Hall in 1994. Since the term blog was not yet used, he simply called it his personal homepage. Then, in 1997, the term weblog was created by John Barger, who created the blog Robot Wisdom. The history of blogging can be tracked back to 1990s, with the first recorded instance of blogging in 1993. In the first blog created in 1994, in 1993, Swarthmore College student Justin Hall began documenting his life online. True, it wasn't called a blog at the time. In 1994, Hall created the first blog on Links.net, using it as a personal diary and to share his thoughts on current events, interesting discoveries. He linked to other web pages and collected interesting websites he'd come across, writing a snippet or two about why he liked them. In 1998, Open Diary launched, becoming the first blog community which where readers could add comments to other writers' blog entries. In 1999, Peter Merholz shortened the term weblog to blog. Blogger launched by Pyra Labs, which was later acquired by Google in 2003. LiveJournal started by Brad Fitzpatrick. And Pitas.com, created by Andrew Smells, as an easier alternative to maintaining a news page on a website. And Dairyland launched in September 1999, focusing more on personal diary community.
The term blog wasn't coined until later. The concept of using video to communicate online emerged in the late 1990s. However, the technical limitation of uploading, storing, and publishing videos online hindered and whispered adopting of blogging. The first known instance of video blog was created by Adam Constant on January 2, 2000. He posted a 15-second video of himself sneaking a cat in his apartment building alongside a blog's entry. This marked the beginning of the longest-running video long in history. The term blog itself was coined in 2002 by Luke Bowman, who started uploading a video diary on his post-colleague Travis. So, if you talk about blog, musugod na diri ang YouTube. Kaya man ang pinagagrabe if you talk about blog. So, kita man to karon nga most content creator ari magpost sa YouTube. So, musod na YouTube if you talk blog. In April 2005, YouTuber co-founder Joe Karim uploaded the first YouTube blog, entitled Me at the Zoo. On his channel, Jode, this simple everyday video set the tone for the type of amateur blogging content that would become synonymous with YouTube. And also, both blogs and vlogs are form of online content creation. Magamit kaya patlag online if you talk about blog and blogging.
The difference between vlog and blogs. Blogs. Written text often accompanied by image, video, and audio. It focuses sharing thoughts, ideas, experience, news, information, and opinions. It usually structured as article, post, or entries with a chronological order. Engagement, primarily through comments and social media sharing. Vlogs. Medium video often incorporating narration, music, and visual effects. It focuses on capturing and sharing experience story, tutorials, reviews, and personal perspective. Typically, a video diary or series of video episodes often with consistent theme of style, primarily through comments, likes, shares, and subscriptions. So, basically, the difference between two is that blog is primarily text-based, while vlog is primarily video-based.